let me just tell you one thing. This MDC election is a semi-final. It is a semi-final. Because after this election, it's only about 1.5 years. We need to go for general election, 2023. So my humble request to all of you, make sure that we win in this semi-final. And let us focus ourselves to the final again. Because why I wanted to tell you one thing, NPP-led government in 2023, again we are winning and we will get absolute majority. So I'm sure friends here, you made a mistake. I'm sure there are so many friends who voted in favor of Dr. Mukul Sangma. The day when Mukul Sangma resigned and he left Ampati constituency and shifted this side, I said, he made a mistake. I feel pity for people of Songsa. Why? Because he became only the leader of opposition. But I'm just telling you, though Dr. Mukul Sangma is leader of opposition, but the philosophy, the principle of our party is to make sure that development flows in providing services to the people of the state. But 2018, people of Songsa constituency made a blunder mistake. That time, I just wanted to remind all of us, 2018 election, on the 3rd of January 2018, I resigned Congress Party and joined NPP. I remember we had a very big grand function meeting at Polo Ground that time. And our chief guest was our National President, Sri Conrad Sangma, who is also now our Chief Minister of the state. And that time, I was so sorry I could not come this side, because we were also busy going to each and every constituency to make people understand that Congress government then. Still, I thought Mr. Nahim will come back, because he only won twice. Then I thought he will win again in 2018. But ultimately he lost. When I received the information that Mr. Nahim lost, it was so hurting and painful to me. Friends, why I wanted to be here today, though I have another program outside your constituency, but as I made it a point with Honorable Chief Minister, I said I should be here to appeal to each and every one of you